Grow lights are recommended all the time for indoor plants and seedlings. But are they actually necessary? Grow lights are super popular for starting seeds indoors, especially if you don't get enough sunlight. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day, and if they don't get enough, they can end up being very weak. If you have grow lights, this shouldn't be a problem. But a lot of people still end up with weak, leggy seedlings, even with a light. Here's why that happens. Number 1. Weak, or misleading lights. Some lights sold as grow lights are actually just regular lights with marketing. They're not strong enough to support real plant growth. The lights might look intense, but they may actually be really weak. Plants don't care about the color, they care about how much usable light they're getting. Make sure to buy only from established brands, so you don't accidentally buy fake lights. Number 2. Distance problems. This is probably the biggest mistake people make. Light intensity drops off really fast, the further away it is. So if your grow light is like a foot or two above your seedlings, it might as well not even be there. Seedlings need the light to be really close, usually just a few inches above them. Number 3. Not enough hours of light. Another big issue is not leaving on your grow lights long enough. If using artificial light, seedlings usually need around 12 to 16 hours daily. If you're only turning it on for a few hours, or just when you remember, it's not enough energy for them to grow properly. Number 4. Over-expectation. A small, cheap grow light might be fine for seedlings or herbs. But it's not going to fully replace the sun for big plants, like tomatoes or peppers long-term. Weak grow lights in general aren't designed to grow full plants indoors. And sometimes even a strong grow light won't fix everything. If your soil, watering, or airflow isn't good, your plants can still struggle. So the issue may not even be the grow light, it could be something else entirely. So in short, grow lights aren't a scam. Most of the time, they're just being used the wrong way.